I've started the process of taking down my Loc Knot Bob, but I've been rocking it for the past few weeks. I just want to do it quick. I'm gonna hide this one real quick. Let's just hide it in there so you can't even see it. These were the shorter ones, mainly these. And you can see the asymmetrical in the front, shorter, longer. Majority of my hair is probably at this length though. Okay. All right, so the last part of my asymmetrical bob, I've been wanting to do this Loc Bob since at least 2015, and it is 2024. I put it off way too long, and I got to a point where I was like, my hair is too long to do the Loc Knot Bob. I was like, no, I want to do it. I just celebrated my 15th Lockaversary, so I was like, I need to do this style that's been on my wish list, and I didn't want to go get it done. I wanted to do it myself, and so I watched a few videos. There's 2 different ways I did, but yeah, we're gonna get a little tour. Okay. So we got shorter, longer, shorter, longer, shorter, longer. All right, so we turn to the side. We got the short ones. See them short, see it long. See it short, see it long. And then we turn to the back. We have my little part right here that I kept in mind. These are the ones in the back that are pretty much the same length. And then we turn to the side. So if these are here, this should be how it should hang. And that's it. It's definitely easier to swing my hair at this length, because with my hair being long, it's not as easy. Now I can be like, can you call me? Here you go. Thank you. Hello. 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 Huh? Okay. Somebody said it's like having beads on the end of your locks, because these can put your eye out, pop you. I'm just enjoying having this Loc Bob. Yo, and I started, like I said, I started taking these down, so it's gonna be curly on the ends. Let me just swing my hair for a minute, just because it's not the same when my locks are all unraveled and down. I whip my head back and forth. I whip my head back. I need to add that sound bite to this. My head back and forth. I whip my head back and forth. I whip my head back and forth. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I'm back. Composure back. Hello. So I've been asked to show how I did my Loc Knot Bob. So there's 2 ways I did it. This is just a 2-strand twist. And then, like I said, I measured how long I wanted it to be. And with the first one, I held the tension, wrapped it really close together. Kept it twisted in the direction of the twist. Wrapped. I'm not gonna put the rubber band back on because I'm about to take this down completely. I decided the length, guesstimated that it would probably wrap this much and be just enough to push through the loop. See my little gold nail? I'm gonna push this through the loop. And this way I feel like it's tight, it's not gonna come down. Wrap the rubber band, and that's it. So yeah, I'm about to undo these. I may get a little footage of the takedown, like maybe a time lapse. Or I may just show in real time. I've started unraveling the Loc knots. So I have done this side, I still have the side and a few of the back. So this is left over of the Loc knots. And this is left over I mean, this is what I have taken down. So, progress. And it was pretty quickly. I was talking to some people on my Instagram channel and unraveling. Asked them about locks and bookish things. And yeah, I was unraveling. And this is what I have left. These are a few pictures from my locks in real time. Right before I was about to go to the Tank in the Bangers concert. Check out the fit. Check out the locks. I was having too much fun with this Loc Knot Bob. This is another look with the Loc Knot Bob. And some close-ups from the top to the middle to the bottom. I have been wanting to do this style since forever. See you in the next video.